Hi, welcome to Yoga and YouTube channel. This is relaxing yoga stretches video. Prepare one yoga mat and let's get started. Start with seated pose. Side stretch. Place your left hand on your right knee. Bring the right bicep towards your right ear. Tilt your body to the left. Come back to center and spinal twist. Bring the right hand back behind you. Rotate your chest to the right side. Open your chest. Come back to center, switch sides. Place the right hand on your left knee. Bring the left arm towards the left ear. Side stretch on your left rib cage and left waist. And then spinal twist. Rotate your chest to the left side. Good. Come back to center. Tabletop pose. Hands, knees, tops of the feet on the mat. Cats and cows. Inhale, lower the belly, lift your head and tailbone. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. One more spinal warm up. And then roll your hips. Left, back, right and forward. 2 more circles. And switch sides. Stretch your hips. Good. Come back to center. Extended puppy pose. Lower the chest and extend your arms forward towards the top of the mat. And see if you can bring your chest all the way down towards the earth. You can move your hips slightly forward. And if your neck is comfortable, place your chin on the mat. Slowly back up to cat pose. Round your back. Lay face down. Sphinx pose. Place your elbows on the mat. Draw your elbows back towards your feet. Lift your chest. Create space on your front of the body. Open the chest. And then place your hands next to your chest. Lift your heart. Cobra pose. And then child pose. Stretch your hips and lower back. Lay face down again. Upward facing dog. Lift your heart, straighten your arms. Hold and breathe. And all the way down. Place your right cheek on the mat. Move your hips side to side. And then place your left cheek on the mat. Move your hips side to side. Release the tension on your back. Come up to your elbows. Bend the right knee. Grab that right foot and bring that right foot towards your right buttock. Stretch your right front of the thigh, knee, and foot. Switch sides. Grab the left foot with your left hand and bring that foot towards your left butt. Release. And then shoulder stretch. Open your left arm to the side, bend the right knee, and bring the right kneecap towards the sky. Notice the sensation on your shoulders and lower back. Release. Switch side. Open the right arm to the side, bend the left knee, bring the left kneecap towards the sky. Stretch your right shoulder and lower back. Come back to center. Place your hands next to your chest. Push into downward facing dog. Place your hands shoulder distance apart. Feet are hip distance apart. Push your hips towards the sky. Stretch your back. Take a few deep breaths. Inhale, lift the right leg towards the sky. Bend the right knee, open the right hip. And then sleeping pigeon. Bring that right shin forward. Make a pillow with your hands. Relax your forehead on your hands. Lift your chest. Bring your right foot back, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg towards the sky, bend the left knee, and bring that left shin forward, sleeping pigeon. Overlap your hands and relax your forehead on your hands. Notice the sensation on your thighs and hips. Breathe in, breathe out. In and out. Slowly lift your chest and bring that right foot forward. Open the legs mid distance apart. Move your legs side to side. Stretch your lower back. And then come back to seated pose. Place your hands on your knees. Straighten your back. Relax your shoulders. Close your eyes. Take a moment here. Feel your body from your shoulders, arms, belly, hips, and legs. Let's close up with one arm circle. Inhale, raise your arms towards the sky. Exhale, hands to your heart. Thank you all for sharing your practice together. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. Thank you for joining with me today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you soon.